Howdy folks, back at it again. I think I'm gonna head down to the high school today, high school nearby. It is Sunday, February 17th. My hands are freezing, it was raining earlier, and I'm not gonna go on any of the dirt trails because it just rained and I don't want to deal with that. So yeah, here we are on a nice cloudy California afternoon. I decided on a little bit of a pit stop, and here I am at that park. Never seen that before. And also that's where I went to earlier, but it's raining, and my mom told me to come back when it starts raining. So of course that happens. Of course I just choose the perfect day to come out here. Now I get to explore this area. Oh, for Pete's sake. Okay, so what else drove over this, rode over that, so I guess I'm okay. This little roundabout right here, not roundabout, just a loop, cul-de-sac that leads into the park. I took the route that I did last time for when I went over here again, and then turned around because of the scary teenagers. I was going over that video so I could sort it in my computer, because this camera can only take 2 hours of footage. As I was going through that footage, I found this part in and around the section where I was scared of people my age, and there was this kind of... The first way I described it was a fax machine, and it did sound a lot like a fax machine when I listened to it. So yeah, weird fax machine noises and scary teenagers. Just thought that was odd. Don't know why that would happen. I think it was only in my left ear too.